one, I wanted to just wish you a very happy Mother's Day. Mothers, you are blessed, you're appreciated, and you have achieved so much. You know, being a mom, helping to cultivate the future or future generations. So I just wanted to stop by today and let you know, if no one has told you this as yet, you're really loved and appreciated. And I was just talking today with another mom about, you know, how I feel having this great responsibility being a mom, this responsibility of molding and cultivating the future generation. I feel very blessed and honored to have that great role. And one of my purposes, I always say, is to mother my children and have those open and difficult conversations. I have 5 girls, and my mom says, you keep saying you have 5 girls, and I'm like, Mom, you had 4. So yes, my mom had 4, well, she has 4 girls, and I have 5 girls. And so, you know, it's just so important when you have girls as well. I was doing a scheme of work where we were looking at how girls in certain areas, certain cultures are disenfranchised, and they have to fight for an education. And we were looking at Malala and how she got shot. That was in the scheme of work. And so having girls, I think ensuring that these girls have equal access to education is so important. I was also talking about ensuring that they also fulfill their purpose of being strong women, women who know right and know wrong, women of integrity, women who are authentic. And that is a great responsibility. I feel like it is a real great responsibility. So today, when we stop and honor the roles that women are doing and the jobs that our women are doing, let us just take a minute to really embrace this vital role of mothering our children, of being the nurturers, of stopping to listen and giving our children the voice that they need. Because having a voice and being able to stand up for what is right is so important. So happy Mother's Day. Again, we love you. We appreciate you. Bye.